Q8080. When necessary, what type of cutting fluid is usually acceptable for machining composite laminates? A. Water-soluble oil. B. Water-displacing oil. C. Water only. The correct answer is C. The type of cutting fluid that is usually acceptable for machining composite laminates is water only. Water, soluble oils, and water-displacing oils can damage the composite material, so they should not be used. Water is a good cutting fluid for composite laminates because it does not damage the material and it helps to cool the cutting tool. Water also helps to remove chips from the cutting area, which can help to prevent the tool from overheating. Q8081. How can fiberglass laminate damage not exceeding the first layer or ply be repaired? A. Filling with a putty consisting of a compatible resin and clean, short glass fibers. B. Sanding the damaged area until aerodynamic smoothness is obtained. C. Trimming the rough edges and sealing with paint. The correct answer is A. Fiberglass laminate damage not exceeding the first layer or ply can be repaired by filling the damaged area with a putty consisting of a compatible resin and clean, short glass fibers. This repair method helps restore the structural integrity and smoothness of the damaged area, ensuring that it is properly reinforced and bonded. Q8082. Fiberglass damage that extends completely through a laminated sandwich structure. A. May be repaired. B. Must be filled with resin to eliminate dangerous stress concentrations. C. May be filled with putty which is compatible with the original material. The correct answer is A. Fiberglass damage that extends completely through a laminated sandwich structure may be repaired. While the specific repair process may depend on the extent and nature of the damage, it is generally possible to repair and restore the structural integrity of the damaged area in a laminated sandwich structure. Q8083. Fiberglass laminate damage that extends completely through one facing and into the core. A. Cannot be repaired. B. Requires the replacement of the damaged core and facing. C. Can be repaired by using a typical metal facing patch. The correct answer is B. Fiberglass laminate damage that extends completely through one facing and into the core requires the replacement of the damaged core and facing. When the damage reaches the core material, it compromises the structural integrity of the laminate. To properly repair the damaged area, both the damaged core and facing need to be replaced to ensure the strength and integrity of the composite structure. Q8084. Repairing advanced composites using materials and techniques traditionally used for fiberglass repairs is likely to result in A. Restored strength and flexibility. B. Slightly stronger strength-to-weight ratio. C. An unairworthy repair. The correct answer is C. Repairing advanced composites using materials and techniques traditionally used for fiberglass repairs is likely to result in an unairworthy repair. Advanced composites have specific material properties and characteristics that differ from traditional fiberglass materials. Using inappropriate materials or techniques can compromise the structural integrity and performance of the composite, making the repair unairworthy.